This quick, step-by-step video will walk you through the Locate Monitor on our Sterling Trader Pro platform. First, from the toolbar, click on Windows, followed by Locate Monitor. This window helps locate shares of hard-to-borrow securities. Make sure the account is filled correctly, along with the destination. Then, select your desired symbol and quantity that you want to short and click Send. If the security is available, you will see the Locate Offer window and can determine if you want to borrow the stock at the available price or not. Clicking Accept makes the shares available to short, but does not place the order to short them. After clicking Accept, the status and details will appear in your Locate Monitor window. Don't forget, you can customize your layout to include the Locate Monitor window if desired upon login. Thanks for watching!